Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since I've uploaded. I think it's been, oh my gosh, like 4 months. I don't even know. Yeah, I think it was 4 months ago, 5 months ago since I've uploaded. Last video was me driving the truck for the first time, and I was still pretty nervous to kind of get on it or rip on it or anything after the rebuild. I was gonna do a couple things, and then, you know, of course with me, I'm super indecisive and plans changed, and I've actually been trying to sell the truck. I kind of want to get back into another Cummins, but then part of me is like, I did so much work to this thing, there's just no point of selling it. I'll never get what I put into it, I'll never get it back, so probably not gonna do that. Then again, like I just said, probably will if the right offer's thrown out. But yeah, I've put, I think, about 3,500 miles or 3,000 miles on this rebuild. So far, I haven't had any issues at all. Besides the oil leak, I still haven't fixed that. I started recording a video of me taking the turbo back out and trying to fix that. I ended up just pulling the compressor housing off and was able to tighten up the bolts a little bit, and that still didn't fix the leak. So the turbo's got to come out. I'm gonna build the turbo and the pedestal as one outside the truck, drop it in, align everything, go from there. But if I do end up pulling the turbo out, I'm probably gonna go back to a VGC turbo. I kind of just, to be honest with you, I just want another 9-blade on here. Not another 9-blade, 9-blade in general. I just really like the sound of the KC Stage 3s or the Titan 9 blades, 10 blades, whatever. I just really like that whistle. Probably would be going backwards a little bit too, to be honest with you, because this turbo that's on this truck rips and it spools quick, especially on like higher RPMs. Down low it's just super smoky. I think I need to have Mario from Night Shift defuel the tune a little bit. It's super smoky. I'll show you guys here in a second, but yeah, I haven't had any issues with the truck at all. Just been kind of cruising, drive to work here and there, whatever. So everything's good. We're at 264,000 now. I think I bought this truck back for the second time. I think I only bought it with like 261 on it, I think, and that was last year. So I really have not drove it. But we're going to Mid Michigan Mayhem, which is in Birch Run. Like Greg A and a lot of them bigger guys are going to be there. So I'm actually going to go pick up Kody right now. His 2023 F350, I think it is. He was having some issues with it. And he wanted to bring that, which that truck is sick. Hopefully it's in his driveway. This thing's massive. It's badass. And then I'm going to pick him up, and then we're going to go pick up Justin on the way to Birch Run. Why aren't we taking your truck, guy?
What?
Why aren't we driving yours?
There's no reason for that.
Just don't want to drive it? Not with the low boys on there?
I don't give a fuck about the wheels.
These are the new Venom Swamp Tangs.
Swamp Tang.
I kind of like them, dude.
Yeah,
They aight.
they get the job done.
We got to get this oil leak fixed. ASAP Rocky. I've only been here for 10 minutes. Yeah. She's getting beat up pretty bad, buddy. Shot. It's not on the outside. It's all about what's on the inside. Buddy, you gonna get yourself on that dyno or what?
Yeah, no.
How much power do you think you put down with them Lamborghinis over there?
About 14 horse.
14 horse, what a master. What about you, Sniff? Look.
If we're hitting a gas station, I'll get a drink here too.
You're probably not going to be able to pull it and take it in there.
did Greg make?
2,500.
2400. Greg's on this class is fuel only, so he can't run nitrous. So that is 2400 on fuel only. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
You have to find the right person. That's what happens. You might be just
He's gonna grab
The good guy.
He's like, we still got 5 left, they're all empty.
keep grabbing full ones.
not, no.